So I'm very thankful, Mr. Amar, who's from the CM Alliance, and today I got a chance to learn in terms of it's like totally unlearn and learn something new because I had been in the industry for 19 plus years and into information security. I had done the PD testing from very initial stages and move on with technology systems, all those things. But whenever we try to get in touch with the people who are currently in today's scenario into the SOC management or the SIEM, the concept what if you ask some conceptually clarity, this aren't I have found. So even if you go on the terms of like explaining in a simpler manner, they're just using one tool and they understand the tool only that piece of part, not the complete in totality. So that is a major area where which is missing in, and way of like when it is terms of explanation to the board members or the CEO or to the VPs, it becomes very difficult in terms of explaining. So what happen is like a normal language is not spoken, and we have to bring in the network guy or the net technology director to explain them. And when they come, they don't use much of the technical language. So this is what the today what we have been taught is being same given in a nutshell form. Okay, this is the scenario, this was the thing. So which is I really liked. So coming with, I'm also holding a lot of certifications, but this is the first time that I'm getting to learn in a nutshell, in a simple language, which I can, if I mug up it, also I can explain in a simpler manner to someone. So I'm very thankful, and today it was like Bhaskar was following me on this course for a very long time, and I had been some or the other way priorities I had been deferring it, but today I enrolled like on Thursday, and it's good to go. And I'm thankful to everyone and the CM Alliance, and wish all the best in their future endeavors. Thank you.